So it looks like Tracy Ferriter from the Boy in the Box trial. Remember, what was his name? Mark Ferriter? Tim Ferriter was convicted of holding his son in a box in the garage, and his wife Tracy has her trial coming up next. Here's the thing. Tracy has fired her attorney, and she's like, Your Honor, I'm here representing myself. She was in, excuse me, she was in court yesterday representing herself. And I was like, ooh, a self-representation. This sounds like a terrible idea. I must watch every last minute of it. So she's like, Your Honor, I don't have an attorney, and the attorney that I want can't be ready in time. So can we just wait? And the judge was like, nah, girl, that's not how this works. And so I was like, what attorney does she want? Not that I would know the attorney. Who did she mention? Oh, she mentioned two of our attorney friends, Mark the Shark and Mighty Heidi. She wants Mark Shiner and or Heidi Perlette to represent her in the Boy in the Box case. Okay, ma'am, only we've seen the videos and we know that Mark and Heidi are excellent. Oh, Mark and Heidi, please don't be garbage. So she's like, well, these are the people that I want, and if I can't get them, I'll just wait till they're ready. And the judge is like, no, what you're not going to do is come in here and play games in a courtroom. Now, you have 10 days. You come back here in 10 days and tell me who's representing you, or we're going to have to figure something else out. She's like, Your Honor, I have lost everything. And he was like, boo-hoo, cry me a river. I mean, that's not exactly what he said, but that's basically what he said. I wonder, honestly, did Mark and Heidi put this lady off because they don't have time for her foolishness? Also, I feel like they could probably at least negotiate her a decent plea deal. She gonna need a plea deal. She's gonna need a plea deal real bad. So hopefully Mark and Heidi can get that for her or some other attorney. But the judge is like, we're gonna push this case off for 10 days. In 10 days, you need to have your little behind standing in here telling me exactly who's going to represent you, because we are ready to go. And you know what, Your Honor? I agree with you. I am ready to go too. I'm ready to see this heifer get put in jail, because she was complicit in locking her adopted son in a box for years. What is wrong with people? What is with all these abusive parents? I mean, listen, there have always been abusive parents, but now they're getting a whole lot of shine, and I'm sure they are they are really not liking it. But when Miss Tracy goes to her box, she's going to feel like what her son Ronan felt like for 2 or 3 years. Lady, you're unlikely to even get 2 or 3 years. So what you need to do is go on and beg for a plea. Take your time and keep it moving. Also, if you've lost everything, how can you afford Mark and Heidi? They not free. They're not doing a pro bono case, or are they? Listen, more to come on that case. Additionally, the dude who attacked the judge in Las Vegas, listen, the judge was back at work the next day and she's still ready to hand down sentence. She has not recused herself on that case. And she's like, well, when he's ready, I'm ready. But word on the street is that this dude is refusing to come to court. Now, according to the judge, she's going to hand down exactly the same sentence that she would have given him. She's not going to make it any worse. Okay, I admire her restraint. I would be like, can we just put him in prison for life? Because I would like to put him in prison for life. But I'm petty like that. So maybe don't go by me. But he is obviously facing new charges. And I had not realized that the courtroom became a crime scene as soon as all of that happened. And like the bailiff, or whatever they call them, marshals, had like a big gash on his head and he's still under observation or whatever. The judge is back to judging. She's like, I bonked my head, but here I am. She was back at work the very next day. So more to come on that case. That one is fascinating to me. We go see what happens. But that leaping defendant, he done messed up. He messed up real bad. We gonna see how it all shakes out. Okay, y'all. All right, we'll talk to you later. You can tell I took some Tylenol now, right? I'm less congested. I'm about to get loopy in about 3 seconds because, Tylenol in my brain is not a good combination, but what you gonna do? Okay, you have a great day. Bye.